Hello, welcome to Dimples and Arabian Journey, and today's unique recipe is Momos, chicken momos with spicy tomato chutney. If you enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe us and also share this video with your friends and family. In this video, today I shall show you 3 different ways or 3 different shapes of momos. Also, along with that, we shall prepare spicy tomato chutney for momos. So let's start cooking. So the very first step is to make some spicy, delicious tomato chutney. A bit spicy. So you can just adjust it accordingly. And for the ingredients, we have taken 2 tomatoes sliced, 1 onion sliced. This is 1 large onion. Salt for taste. This is around 1 tablespoon and 2 green chilies. 5 to 6 garlic pods peeled. Some spring onions stem. Red chilies around 6 to 7 or 5 to 4. Please adjust your spice level. Turmeric, that is haldi for color. Black peppercorn, 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of methi, that is fenugreek seeds. Please note not to add the spring onions while cooking. This will directly go into the blender along with 150 ml of water or around half cup of water. Post you cook all the ingredients. So let us now start to prepare with the momos, chicken momos. So for momos, the ingredients are 2 cup flour, 150 ml of water and salt for taste. While the dough rests for 15 minutes or so, we can start preparing a batch of filling, that is for the chicken filling of momos. So the ingredients are listed. So here I've taken 500 grams of fresh minced chicken, salt for taste, pepper 1 tablespoon, onion, large onion, 1 large onion, 1 cup of spring onions, and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves finely chopped, garlic finely chopped or crushed. Soya sauce is 1 tablespoon. It's always better to clean the chicken well beforehand and pat it dry with the help of a paper towel. This particular step would help it get rid of the excess moisture from the chicken. One tip is to dust some flour onto the plate so that the momo sheet doesn't stick together. Post the resting period of the dough, it's always advisable to knead it again for 5 minutes. So enjoy and welcome the winter weekend with the piping hot momos along with the spicy chutney. Thank you for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by following the hashtag #FloreAndAroma. Do leave your valuable comments and do share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.